What's going on, guys? I'm here again with my FMS 1500 millimeter thunderbolt. And so on my previous video I explained how I was having problems with my JP electromagnetic brakes. When I would turn them on, they were just too stiff. I would lower the travel, increase the travel, and so on. I bought an upgrade to control individually the tires, or the friction on the tires. So that didn't help. And so I was tweaking with the tire. I opened it up. I took every single little bolt or screw of this tire, popped this open, and what I found out is that the way that it locks, or that it creates friction, and between this outer shell and the back magnet, there's a plate, there's a round plate, and it has holes on every single screw where the screws are at. And so it sits flush against this plate, and so when the magnet is activated, it pulls the plate and it locks the tire, or it creates friction. And so I got some diff grease at Amazon. These are made for, or this is used for RC cars that have a lot of moving parts. And so I applied a lot of grease in between that metal plate and the actual magnet, and it seems to help. It's not locking on me anymore. They're on right there. As you can see, I can easily move them without a lot of force. On my previous video, I showed you how, these tires were locking it, and if you watch my previous video, you'll hear the screeching sound. That's the metal plate, the inner metal plate rubbing against the back magnet when it's activated. But after I applied the grease, the diff grease, it seems to help. It's not the way that I would want it, that I would prefer, but it helps. It's better than them just locking, but actually it gives the plane enough time to slow down instead of just stopping at immediately. It'll stop within maybe 2 feet, and then it'll stop. I would like less friction, but I guess that'll work for me for now. But that was my solution for my problem with these JP brakes. So if you guys are having the same problem, maybe you could try it out. I bought it on Amazon like for $12 or something like that. Huddy diff grease.